You know that feeling when you hit a math wall? Yeah. Let's talk about differential equations.
So many students feel this way. It looks totally impossible, right? But here's what's really going on.
Okay, you really only need to know 3 main patterns. That is it. Let me break it down.
Yeah, the textbooks just throw all these symbols at you. It's pretty much designed to look confusing.
So the real question is, how do you know which method to use for which problem?
Here's the thing. It's not about being a genius. It's about becoming a pattern detective. Let's call this first pattern the messy room problem. Your job is super simple. Organize it.
Here's the clue. Can you get all the x's on one side and all the y's on the other?
If you can, you're golden. Just separate, integrate both sides, and don't forget that constant.
Okay, but what if you can't separate them? Well, let's look for pattern number 2.
This one's all about the ratio. If you see y divided by x everywhere, that's your clue.
And here's the trick. You substitute y equals vx. That makes it separable. Then just solve and sub back.
All right, pattern 3. I think this one's the easiest. It's literally like following a recipe. The clue? Does it perfectly fit this form? If it does, it's linear. No guesswork.
Your action is simple. Identify P and Q, find the integrating factor, then plug it all in.
Okay, let's bring this all together. Here is your master key, your entire game plan.
So first, you check, is it separable? If not, is it linear? If not, it's probably homogeneous.
So what's the real secret here? Why does this whole pattern thing matter so much?
Because it's not about tough integration. It's about pattern recognition. Spot the pattern, and the solution is easy.